Welcome. It's that time for the coffee trend. Currently watching the All Whites Iran game. If you don't want a spoiler, it's currently 2-2. Quite a good game. Right, I'm just going to turn this down. Right, yeah, we're up to Coffee Trend 48 from the year 1948, titled The Birth of Convenience Coffee. In 1948, coffee took a major step towards convenience with the rapid growth of vending machines. The newly introduced quick caf machines could deliver a hot cup of coffee in just seconds, making coffee more accessible in workplaces, factories, and public spaces. This marked one of the earliest moves towards the grab-and-go coffee culture we know today. Thank you, that's Coffee Trend 48. And the score is still 2-2, All Whites versus Iran.